Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll review JET's material lift and show how it transforms into 4 different modes: standard lift mode, counterbalance lift mode, vertical storage mode, and a flat transit mode. These lifts are packed with features and benefits, all designed from end-user feedback. And as you'll see, JET's innovative design delivers on versatility, performance, and safety. To set up standard lift mode from transit mode, you'll lock the casters, swing the stabilizers out, walk the mast up, and confirm the mast lock pin engages. Uncouple the leg latches, pick up and rotate the legs forward, then re-engage the latch, ensuring it's flat and secure. Unlock the mast lock, and then by using a 3/4 inch 6-point socket with a drill, lift and lower the load. For close-to-wall lifting, counterbalance mode delivers safer access and improved reach. JET's material lift is the only lift on the market that provides this level of versatility. Setup is simple. Uncouple the leg latches and rotate the legs to the rear. Recouple the latches, making sure both parts are flat. Wheel the counterbalance assembly over the legs. Confirm it sits flat. It uses the leg geometry for proper alignment. When the job is done, vertical storage mode makes putting the lift away effortless. This mode reduces the footprint by about 30% compared to the competition and doesn't require laying the lift down to uncouple the legs. Here's how you do it. First, engage the mast lock. Next, uncouple the leg latches and move the legs against the handlebars. Secure them with the provided chain. Pull the spring pin and rotate both stabilizers forward. In this mode, the lift can be rolled on its casters or picked up using the integrated forklift pockets. Finally, transit mode improves both mobility and stability. JET's patent-pending design allows for easy movement through a doorway with clear line of sight and no more awkward shouldering of the lift around the job site. With its oversized 6-inch by 2-inch casters, the largest on any material lift, navigation across rough job sites is smooth and reliable. Setup is quick. Confirm the mast lock is engaged. Position the legs to the rear of the machine and recouple the latches. Unlock the mast pin and slowly pull the lift backwards. Grab the rotating top handles, letting the mast travel back until the red handlebars touch the legs. Secure the mast with chains. Rotate the stabilizers to reduce the footprint, and then use the forks to push and move the lift. The JET material lift. Unmatched versatility, increased performance, and maximum safety.